In this video, let's talk about how to use the SoFi mortgage application on app. So if you're trying to get a mortgage within the SoFi platform, let me show you exactly on how it is done. All you want to do is within the app, head over to the loan section and then select the home loans from the list that you would be able to see. Once you complete that, there are a few things that you need to enter in, such as your income and asset profile, and you'll also need to upload your verification document, such as your income verification as well as your tax filing. Once everything is done, you'll need to complete a 2-minute pre-verification form that you need to fill in, and once you fill in the form, you can simply download the pre-approved data. So once you complete this form, you should be able to see if your loan is approved or not. You should be able to see the progress bar on the home page, and you should be able to see it being completed once the loan is approved. So this is the exact process that you can follow in order to use the SoFi mortgage application on app. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.